Welcome to PDF Liner Easy Guides. In this video, we are going to show you how to fill out Form W-4 using PDF Liner. First of all, check out the IRS instructions on their website. Form W-4 or Employees Withholding Certificate. Complete Form W-4 to provide your employer with your current tax situation so they can withhold taxes correctly. You need to file a new Form W-4 each year and when your personal or financial situation changes. Follow the link in the description and open the fillable Form W-4 by clicking the Fill this form button. Now that the PDF editor is loaded, you can begin filling out your W-4. Start entering your information, such as your name, address, and social security number. Next, pick your tax filing status. In this example, Jane is married and filing jointly. Now, if you are single or married filing separately and don't have a second job, dependents, or other adjustments, move straight to step 5 and sign the form. In this example, Jane's spouse also works and makes almost the same amount as Jane, so she checks the C box. If one makes twice as much as the other, it would be better to complete the multiple jobs worksheet on page 3. Now, let's say that Jane and her spouse have one child and Jane have a slightly higher paying job. This means that she needs to fill out step 3 when her spouse would need to leave it blank. As they only have one child, she enters 2000s over here and on line 3. In step 4, you need to add all other adjustments such as other income, for example, interest, dividends, and retirement income. Do this only if you want your employer to withhold the tax from your paycheck. Deductions. If your itemized deductions such as qualifying home mortgage interest, charitable contributions, state and local taxes up to 10,000, and medical expenses in excess are higher than a standard deduction, use the deductions worksheet on page 3 to calculate them and then enter them on line 4B. If you'd like an extra amount of taxes to be withheld from each of your paychecks, specify that amount on line 4C. In our example, Jane leaves them all blank and goes straight to step 5. Here we need to sign and date the W-4. To do this, using PDF Liner, simply click on the Sign field and choose one of the sign-in options. Create your signature and click the Sign button. After that, pick a current date over here. This is it. Now you can send the form to your employer so they can add their information at the bottom of it. Once you have completed your W-4, double-check all the info that you entered and click the Done button to save, print, or share the form. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel. Using PDF Liner, you can also edit, sign, convert, and share any PDF documents, save lots of time, and have unlimited access to thousands of fillable forms. Learn more at pdfliner.com.